Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Subway Surfers on a school iPad. School-issued iPads usually come with significant restrictions, making direct installation of games like Subway Surfers quite challenging. These devices are managed by your school's IT department, which implements policies to ensure they are used primarily for educational purposes. Understanding these limitations is the first step. Your school iPad is likely managed by Mobile Device Management, or MDM, software. This powerful tool gives administrators the ability to control nearly every aspect of the device, including which applications can be installed and which websites can be accessed. This means the App Store might be disabled, and many gaming websites could be blocked by network filters, preventing you from downloading or playing the game directly. While direct installation is often impossible, some might consider browser-based alternatives. Certain websites host versions of games that can be played directly in a web browser. However, these sites are frequently blocked by school network filters. Using a virtual private network, or VPN, could potentially bypass these filters, but be aware that using a VPN on a school device is often against school policy and could lead to serious consequences. Ultimately, the most responsible approach is to respect your school's policies. These rules are in place to maintain a focused learning environment and protect school resources. It is best to enjoy games like Subway Surfers on your personal devices during your free time at home. If you have questions about approved apps or usage, consider speaking with your school's IT administrators for clarification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.